For the three metrics given below, which one of the choices is correct? Right. So here sigma 1, this is a popular metrics in quantum mechanics. In angular momentum chapter of quantum mechanics we will discuss what is polyspin matrices. So that polyspin matrices they given sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. Which property is correct? So sigma 1, sigma 2 you find first. Okay, this is mathematically we can check by each option randomly, right? Then only we will get the answer. Or these properties regarding polyspin matrices we studying in quantum mechanics. Then if you know that property directly you can say this is the option, right? So sigma 1, sigma 2 what? Here 0, 1, here 1, 0, right? And what is sigma 2? That means 0, I, minus I, 0. Then sigma 1, sigma 2 is 0, minus I, right? Then minus I come, alright? Okay. Here now this 0, 0, that means this 0 come. Now 0, 0, then this also 0 come. Now this one I, 0, that means I only. Now if I take a minus I out, what I get from this minus I? 1, 0, 0, minus I take a minus 1. Minus I into this matrix you will 1, 0, 0, minus 1. 1, 0, 0, minus 1. This is our sigma 3. So minus I, sigma 3. So sigma 1, sigma 2 is equal to minus I, sigma 3. So this is correct, right?